we have this guy, the senior manager rail. He was a casual employee. His salary um, he's a casual employee, but he work about his salary usually is about 10K per month. And I normally, at the end of the month, I normally would ask for his working hours and then accrue his salary. But since May, he has already left, so we less one head count. And then another one is this guy, vice president. So he also left from April. So this month, our overhead is gonna be a lot lower because of these two. So you have to remember which cost center is get affected. So the 6001, that's gonna be Yenora overhead. Mm. Oh, they live in April. That's why in May, the one that you're doing now, you don't see them. Yeah, this for April. So I'm just showing you so we can compare. Mm. Yeah, Winston Leach. Yep. Yep. So when you go to this month P&L, so what you expect, right? This month P&L, your overhead from last month for 6001 was 28, but this month you would expect it to go down by 10 because you only have one person left. Mm. And then for the transport overhead, that's where the 6002 sitting. So this amount will go down as well. Oh, this one I have already moved him. Let me go to the yeah. So this one last month we have 142. Yeah, this month you can expect it will go down because our VP has gone. Mm, max crew. Yeah. So whatever, this is what I do for people that review the P&Ls, right? I would normally make the comments. So last month, this guy moved to AHO. Someone got promoted to director, and Max left. Mm. Not sure. That is some information that Amit would tell us if he knows. Mm. Yeah. So when you review the P&L, you would make comments like this. So I normally make comments when I do the P&L at the end of the month. But if you already know, then you should put this in your note, and then by the end of the month, when you do the P&L, you would remember, okay, what happened to this one immediately. Mm. Yeah. So I would make some note. Uh, This one. Yeah, I will just make note. For example, so rec left 6001 overhead goes down, and then max left 6002 overheads go down, and then I'll have to do the leave transfer of Tom Swire to AHO. So there is one guy from Landside. He moved to our Australian head office now. So, however, his leave, we have an leave accrual for him that I will need to do a spreadsheet to transfer. Okay, now since we've already done our leave provision working, I'll show you how to post the journal. Yep, now can you share your screen? Mm. Oh, we did the fortnightly map pay. We did the fortnightly pay, and when we did the monthly pay. Mm. Maybe you can post the monthly, and then I'll post the fortnightly because I did the update to the mapping. Yep. You wanna share your screen? I'll show you how to do. Oh no, I'm sharing still. Mm. Yep. Now can you go to Oracle? Log on to Oracle. Yep. Log on to Oracle. And no, we go to accounting or general accounting. Yep. And go to journals. Mm. Yep. Click on that one and wait for a bit. And then go to the taskbar on the right hand side. You see that little icon there. Yeah. And then create journal in spreadsheet. Click on that one. Mm. Yep. And open file. And then click enable editing. Yep. Oh, this one doesn't connect. Let me think. Can you go to file? So it should have a login pop up. Maybe option, and then add-ins. Can you Excel add-in down the bottom, or just click to Chrome add-ins? Yep, click go. Oh, okay, so I'm done. Yep, yep. Can you go back to the same place again? I'm just trying to remember. No, no, no. Go back to file option. I'm just trying to remember how to enable. And yep, add-in. Can you go to disable items at the bottom? Manage disable item. Oh, sorry, I mean manage. There is a drop down in the Excel add-in. Go to disable item and click on to go. Oh, no disable item. Can you close it? And can you go to manage again? Manage. Go to Excel add-in. Oh, it's also have that one. How come it doesn't show? That's weird. Can you close all of your Excel and open this file again? Yeah, close this file as well. Just close all of your Excel first. Close all of them. Oh, that's a lot of file. Make sure you save it. Mm. Oh, you need to close everything, otherwise sometimes it doesn't work. Or close it as well. You can reopen it later after the file work. Just save it for now. Mm. Did you close the rest? Yep. Okay. Now reopen that file. Mm. It should be automatically connect. Oh, yeah, maybe the first one. Try that one and company sign on. Just click and wait a bit. It's a bit slow, I think. Mm, mm, okay. So after you hang up, can you call Pancash again? And then yeah, and just tell him you can't connect. Oh, can you click on that, Azu? It doesn't show, so it's some of the automatically fill. That's not blending. Not blending 44. Yeah, just try to just call Pancash after this. Yeah. In the meantime, I'll show you how to post journal. You might want to record if you want. It's pretty simple, but it's very easy. Okay. Let me quickly check again. Mm. Yes, you have to do the. They have to do this. Yep. So this is what I opens, right? The journal entry, and then it will show you this one, and then you have to click yes, and then company single sign on. Just some update. I'll just skip it. Yep. So this what it should look like after you sign on. Yep. So it will have to show you A and Z primary ledger, and then there is some group ID and the sort it from spreadsheet. And then this one is our input. So I'll normally put in the entity code, fortnightly pay. So this is, let me close the, so we're not confused. Where is my fortnightly pay? Okay, this one. I'll just put it in another screen. Um, so I'll put in the number 1314374, and then I'll copy the same for description. And then the ledger, there will be a drop down. So you just select ANZ primary ledger. Accounting day, I normally put the same accounting day as the day that I'm posting journal. Unless it's you're doing on month end, then you have to backdate to the last day of the month. Category is a manual. Yep, and then when you have to click onto review and then select unprotect sheet. Yep, so now we're gonna go to our journal and then we just copy and paste. So these are the fields that you have to fill in. So the company, cost center, account, intercompany service line analysis, future one, currency, and then the line description. So all of these are already in this journal tab. So what I do is I'll just copy all of them. This line as well. Yep, so that's all done. You can have a quick check to make sure you cover everything. So total is 868. Go back to chart journal. Yeah, 70. So the debit and the credit balance should always match. 84, did I miss something? Just quickly check. Okay, I just include the extra line, that's why. This one. So 80868, that's correct. And then we go here to create journal. Once you're happy with all this one that have to be filled, anything with a start have to be filled. And then this live description is for our um, live description when we review the transaction listing. Yep. So once you did this, click submit. And then the submission option, it says submit journal, import and posting. Yes, without validation. And just click submit. Processing. So if there's anything, if any wrong coding, for example, it will show you an error here. So the confirmation is have been submitted. Yep. So I would normally save a copy. Back to copy the name. So I would normally save a copy of the journal in case if I need to look back. So April posted. Yep. So let me go back to May file folder. So this one is the one that I just posted. This. Yep. So whatever I posted, I'll put in the posted folder. And then this one is just the last month one. So I normally just keep it in case I want to open it. And I remember which journal that I posted last month. So you remember or which one you haven't done, for example. That's right. And then I also have like a task list. So I like same as the one that I shared to you. I just prefer to put it in here. So I tick this one. And then we did the monthly pay, but we haven't posted. So later, can you send me that monthly pay and then I'll post it as well? Yep. Uh, mm, yeah, it's really up to you what you want to do first. But I did put in the timeline for you. So which one you can do during the month, and which one you have to wait until the sort of like the last working day or the minus second working day. Yeah. Mm, that's right. Yep, that's one is very tricky. So our month end is pretty tight. That's why it's not easy for me to show you at the same time. Yeah. So that's why it's good that if you come here on month end, you can just sit next to me and watch. Mm. Mm. Okay. Yeah, yeah. To see which day. Yep, that's fine. Okay. So I'm doing the balance sheet spread for now. Let me see what task can be done. Actually, we can do the. I can probably show you how to do the standing repayment journal. But can I confirm with you this afternoon just to see if I have anything urgent? Mm, mm. Yeah, but in the meantime, could you please call Pankaj to sort out the posting journal access, please? Mm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll show you. So you can. No, it's posted. Then it means it's final. No. So you go general accounting and journal, and then go to this page here, manage journal, and then accounting period May. That's all, and then I'll search, or you can also put in the journal Starwich. I think it's Starwich 7208, and then just search. Then it will show you the journal, and then it will show you who posted. Mm. And then now, if you download your GL analysis report, so so when you download the GL analysis report for the month, right? Just select the day from May until the end of May, and then company just select 7208. You can also download a Pacific um, GL analysis for a Pacific um, analysis account, and then just click apply. So, mm, it's a I'll show you just one sec. So from this GL analysis report, it should only be whatever from AP posted and just the journal that I posted just now and the auto reversing for whatever I posted as auto reverse last month. Mm. So if you, not this one is not auto reverse. It's can, but it's just not this journal. We cannot. So we only post auto reversing, for example, wages accrual. Um, yeah, revenue accrual. Those are posted as auto reverse. Mm. Yeah, like some manual accrue, for example, at the end of so last month I actually did accrue um, five subcontract seal invoice, so five subcontractor seal invoice. However, at the end of the month, I would wait until AP posted all of the invoices, and then I'll check to see if they pay for all of those, all five, and then I'll reverse it manually because some. Yes, you can also do a auto reverse for those accrual. But if AP didn't pay, then this month you have to reaccrue. Mm, 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 mm. Yes, same logic. So it's up to your style. And also, a lot of them is just a general accrual. So if it's general accrual, we don't normally reverse it unless we get a green light from Amit or the finance manager. Yeah. Mm. So I just prefer to do manual because but it's up to you. So you either do it like that or you have to reverse and reaccrue. Mm. Yep. Yeah, the balance sheet. The balance sheet. So the balance sheet will show you what you have. So the sundry accrual it will show you whatever in here. So that's why I said I'll do it. So like for last month, you can see even the February invoice hasn't been paid, and also March. So if I keep reversing, I will have to keep reaccruing. Mm. So it's not really yeah, it's just I just find it more work for me to check again and reaccrue again. Mm. Mm. Yeah, you have to go through the AP invoice. So, for example, I accrue Pacific invoice for 90K. So, if you reverse, so if you do the automatic reverse, right? So it's gonna be minus 90K from your subcontractor cost for this month. And if AP didn't pay, then if AP didn't pay for it, then you have a minus 90K cost from the P&L. Mm. Yeah, no, hasn't been paid. Yes. Mm. Yes, that's right. That's right. Yes, it's not even in the PO yet. Because if it has been in PO, it will already pick up from my PO accrual. Yeah, so it's not even in PO, so I have to yeah, I have to accrue it manually. Mm. Yeah, so you see a lot of accrual that we have here. Some of them are like December, we haven't been paid. That's why Amit is asking. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, so he asking for some. So no, the price and speed are the one that we recharge to SCP. Rainco, I don't think he said he told us to recharge to anyone. He just asking us to check why is it why is it December invoice, but we only mm, but why we only pay for it now. So what I'm saying is it could delay like that many months for the cost to come through. I don't know why. Mm. Depends if I have time. Yeah, I would definitely review and chase relevant departments. Mm. Mm. Yeah, this one is in last year, and I don't think we will have any cost, but we will just keep it for now, just in case. Yeah, because the cost could come like very, very late, like half a year later. We're still paying for December and November costs. Mm. Mm. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Mm. 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 Yep. Okay, that will be it for now. And I'll check with you again in the afternoon. Okay. Okay. No worries. Bye, Andy.